The way that farming is done hasn't really evolved and changed since the 60s or 70s. Very heavy machinery is going onto the fields and damaging the crops. Mass spraying of those crops is causing damage to the environment.
A bigger machine is a heavier machine. When you compact the soil too much, the roots of the crops cannot grow, cannot spread. Those big machines, oddly, are reducing the productivity of our crops. The answer isn't bigger and bigger, it's smaller.
Farming can be made much more efficient, much better for the environment by the introduction of new technologies.
So we worked on developing a whole new model, developing small, precise, autonomous vehicles which could do the job of the farmers, but could do it much more efficiently and much more accurately.
So we use Dropbox for early collaboration work, just sharing files between each other, really helped to sync up our workflow.
Tom is very small and quite simple, and he lives on the farm and he is completely autonomous. And his job is just to go up and down the rows in the field to be able to understand the health of the crops, but also how many weeds there are there any diseases on the crops, and also the health of the soil.
If Tom finds a patch of weeds, he will order Dick, our weeding robot, to go out to the field and treat that particular patch of weeds that he's found.
And then Harry is a planting robot. We are planting directly into the stubble of the previous year.
Using the strength of only a finger, he will drill the seeds with 2 centimetre accuracy. So a small, lightweight robot can do the work of a large ploughing tractor.
Tom's data allows us to get a per plant view of the crop, which means that we can suddenly, instead of treating a whole field, we can just treat one individual plant, which massively reduces the amount of chemicals we're using by up to 95%.
So in the future, we'll be able to redesign the countryside, have wildflowers growing in amongst the crop, selectively herbiciding and harvesting, and we can have a productive countryside both for humans and for the environment.